Hi there. Today we are going to see top 10 latest short romantic series in Turkish drama. These series have limited episodes and also some of them are available on YouTube with English subtitles. Before we begin, please spare 2 more seconds and hit the like and subscribe button. Number 10, Romance Next Door. It is the story of four young people, Atish, Aishan, Demir and Yasmin. They are ambitious to create a future independent of their respective families. To accomplish that, they are even ready to live a life of lies, but love finds its way into their lives, making it more complicated. Number 9, My Youth. Arif and Zakaria are the owners of two rival kebabs of the same street. When two youngsters, Zola and Xavi from Italy, starts a restaurant in the same neighborhood, the rivals are shaken about their future. To deal with them, the rivals join hands. This leads to events which are full of fun and mishaps. During all these events, Zola falls in love with Azra and the most beautiful girl in the neighborhood. However, Azra loves Ahmed, who is the son of her father's rival Arif. Number 8, Maria and Mustafa. Maria is born to a Turkish father and a Colombian mother. She comes to Turkey to sell her property inherited by father, who is recently deceased. Her goal is to sell the place immediately so that she can go back to Colombia and open the cafe she always dreamed of. But during the sales process, there occurs a feud between the two powerful rival families. She decides to drop the sale idea and return to Colombia, but there she meets Mustafa and an impossible and challenging love story follows. This is the story how fate brings together two star-crossed lovers. Number 7, Happily Ever After. Layla is a wedding planner who is passionate about her job. She is about to get a promotion if she successfully organizes the wedding of her boss' daughter, Melissa. On a complication is she doesn't know the groom is Sarp, who is her ex-boyfriend who abandoned Layla on the wedding day. 5 years ago, Layla is shocked once she met Sarp. Sarp does not want to reveal the truth about why he left her. He prefers to be hated by Layla rather than to be forgiven. Layla decides to keep silent, continue to organize the wedding of the year, leaving all her past behind, but fate has its own plans. Number 6, Promise of Honor. Jihan is the heir of a wealthy family who is about to get married to Yasmin. One day Jihan gets a call from Turkish embassy in Beirut from Isra, who is stranded there with her newborn baby in her arms. Isra is desperate to escape from her psycho fiancé Farouk. She is also the daughter of Umar, who saved Jihan's life once, in return for which Jihan made a promise to help Umar. At the right time to honor his promise, Jihan goes to Beirut and marry Isra and gives the baby his family name to get her out the country. This creates a shock wave in his family, who are not ready to accept the marriage. Number 5, My Left Side. Sarah is a responsible girl who works part-time while studying to support her family. When Sarah came to college in rich limousine, her fellow students misunderstands her for a rich girl. In reality, she was also from a wealthy family, but when her father went bankrupt and after a series of tragedies, she ended up taking care of her mother and siblings. Salim is a rich student also studying in the same college. He has everything except love in his family. One day he bumps into Sarah and gets into a dispute. They both have a lot of prejudice about each other. Will Salim and Sarah fall in love in spite of the different social status and family backgrounds is the rest of the story. Number 4, Love Storm. When Firoze joins the university to study architecture, she meets Ayaz and falls in love with him. They both love each other very much that they want to get married soon. Unfortunately, under critical circumstances to protect his family, Ayaz has to sacrifice his love and disappears without a trace. Meanwhile, First looks for Ayaz everywhere and left heartbroken as she is unable to find him. 5 years later, her father gets falsely accused for an elevator accident which cost lives to save the company image and to save the damages. Khan, the owner of the company, puts the blame on Firoz's father to prove her father's innocence and to find evidence. Firozes start to work in Ehsan's company, but she have no idea she will find her long lost love Ayaz there. Number 3. Unfinished Love. Ozan is an idealistic journalist who is after truth behind conspiracies and follows difficult news. He is about to marry his love of life, Alif, who is also a journalist. On a tragic day, Ozan loses his life by a traffic accident before his lover's eyes, but with the help of a secret society, he finds his lost life in a new body again. Returning to life with another body, Ozan has two challenging tasks: to find out who killed him and to convince Alif that he is still alive. Number 2. New Life. Yasmin is the young wife of mafia businessman Temur. When Yasmin gets death threat from Temur's enemies, he appoints Adam as her bodyguard. Adams is a special forces soldier with a traumatic past. He thinks it would be a boring job to be a bodyguard for a rich woman, but Yasmin had her own plans too, which makes Adam's job challenging. In spite of his suspicions about her, Adam eventually finds himself trapped between his growing love for Yasmin and mafia operations of her eccentric husband. Number 1. Mr. Wrong. Ezgi and Ozgur are two different people whose lives cross paths when they become neighbors. Ozgur is a wealthy restaurant owner and living a shallow and commitment-free life and does not believe in love. Ezgi is a caring and loving girl who is tired of wrong relationships and is determined to get married to a good man. Seeing that Ezgi is not successful in relationship matters, her school begins to mentor her about relationship tactics to get the man she likes, but gradually Ozgur falls in love with Ezgi when he realizes she is unique and special. It is all about the top 10 short stories. If we have left out any of your favorite series, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.